guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Dipsmita. Today we are going to make chocolate pancakes. Okay, so white pancakes because it is a staple for us teenagers. We have it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the breakfast, in the lunch, whenever we need it. And it's so delicious and comes up in just few minutes. So let's not talk much, let's dive into the recipe. Please don't skip the recipe, please watch the whole video, and if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Making the pancakes, we need flour, milk, sugar, butter, chocolate pancakes, so a dairy milk, 2 eggs, salt, sunflower oil or white oil or olive oil, whatever, and cocoa powder. So first we will pour the flour into the pan. Into the bowl, sorry. Then we'll add the eggs. Then we are adding the sugar. After that, we are going to add the milk. Just a bit of salt. Teeny tiny bit of butter just to add the taste. A bit of vegetable oil or white oil. It makes your pancakes very fluffy and soft. Cocoa powder, I guess that's enough. And last but not the least, the show stealer, dairy milk. That's it. Also, the milk is first warmed and then cooled, and now we are going to mix it all. We are not adding water here. This is the tough process. This should be the consistency. We are going to add a bit of water because the chocolate is solid, so it won't be melted. And also there will be lumps, and we don't want lumps. That's why we would add a little bit of water. The consistency should be this. Perfect. You can adjust the sugar and the salt content of this mixture as you wish. For making the toffee sauce, we just need 2 ingredients, that is milk and a lot of toffees. So we need caramel toffees for this, but this is the closest I could get to. These are eclairs, and these are new chocolates in the market, that is Black Forest. So we'll be using this for the toffee sauce. Now let's get to the recipe. So for making the toffee sauce, we would first put milk in the pan. And you would keep it for at least 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes until the milk comes to a boil. Now we'll put the toffees inside the milk. Keep the flame in low and mix it well. We'll keep on mixing it until the mixture becomes thick and all the chocolate or toffees in it melts. First we'll oil brush the pan. That's it. See it rising up a little bit. Looks so nice and fluffy.